Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubble water. To start, create a basic bubble solution by mixing 1 part dish soap with 10 parts water. For optimal results, use distilled water as it helps reduce impurities. To make your bubbles stronger and last longer, incorporate about 1/4 part glycerin or corn syrup into your mixture. Stir gently to combine all ingredients without creating too much foam. To truly enhance your bubble solution, focus on ingredients that improve elasticity. Glycerin or corn syrup are excellent for this, making bubbles more resilient and less prone to popping. You can also add a tablespoon of sugar to the mixture for an extra boost in film strength. For the best performance, let your bubble solution rest for at least 2 to 3 hours or even overnight before you begin blowing. For those seeking advanced bubble solutions, experimentation is key. Different dish soap brands can yield varying results, so try a few to discover your favorite. For truly impressive bubbles, consider investing in a dedicated bubble concentrate, which is formulated for superior performance. Additionally, a small pinch of baking powder can be added to your mixture to help produce remarkably large and stable bubbles, perfect for outdoor fun. To achieve the best bubble blowing experience, a few simple tips can make a big difference. Always ensure your bubble wand is clean, as residue can hinder bubble formation. When blowing, use a gentle, steady breath rather than a forceful puff to create larger, more stable bubbles. Finally, select a calm environment with minimal wind, as strong breezes can cause bubbles to pop prematurely, limiting your enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.